my chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. In my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken pie. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child. Mother's love, love that feeling. Well, ain't it funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most? Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Precious child, you know a mother's love, love. Pick it. Thank God for my life, and for the stars and stripes, and may freedom forever fly. Let it ring, salute the ones who die, the ones that give their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken. Cold beer on a Friday night, just right, and the radio world. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child. Will y'all say cold beer on a Friday night for me? Give me a little chicken fry. Come on. Yeah. A pair of jeans that fit just right, and a leg straight up. I like to see the sun. Precious child, and know a mother's love, love. Thank you very much. Yeah.